The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, LaSalle County in north-central Illinois, Lee County in north-central Illinois, northwestern Livingston County in central Illinois until 12:15 p.m. At 11:10 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 12 miles west of Tampico to Osceola to 18 miles southwest of Princeville and moving east at 60 miles per hour. Large trees were reported knocked down in Moline with this line of storms at 10:40 a.m. Severe thunderstorms will be near Walton around 11:40 a.m. Conica, Peru, Oglesby and LaSalle around 11:45 a.m. Utica and Mendota around 11:50 a.m. Naplate and Grand Ridge around 11:55 a.m. Streeter, Paw, Ottawa and Deauville around noon. Shabbat and Serena around 12:05 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Harmon, Nelson, Cedar Point, Sublette, Boston, West Brooklyn, Troy Grove, Leonore, Rutland and Kingley. These storms have a history of producing damaging winds. Seek shelter inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. This is Noah's